Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the process of properly cleaning the wet measuring unit of your A-22 NeXT. Let's start with an important question. When should you clean the measuring unit? There are several signs to watch for. One of the most common indicators is unusual measurement results. If your sample results deviate unexpectedly or seem inaccurate, the measuring cell may be contaminated. In some cases, contamination is visible. For example, when you remove the measuring cell, you might see residues on the glass surfaces. Even before visible contamination occurs, other signs can indicate the need for cleaning. Perform an F500 measurement and pay attention to measurement values. These should fall in the middle of the specified range. Any deviation could point to contamination. Additionally, you may notice increased scattering signals during background measurements, even when no sample is present. To check, run the SOP alignment and see if the values in channels 20 to 40 are elevated. The 3 stages of cleaning your measuring cell. Let's move on to the cleaning process, which involves the following stages. Stage 1. Automatic cleaning. Start with the Clean and Fill SOP. This automatically flushes the system. If particles remain, increase the number of flushing cycles for a more thorough rinse. Stage 2. Intensive cleaning. For deeper cleaning, execute the Intensive Cleaning SOP. If the Intensive Cleaning SOP isn't installed on your system, contact us. We will provide the SOP to you and help you to import it. When prompted by the system, add a drop of dishwashing liquid or 1 teaspoon of crushed dishwasher tabs. Optionally, add 0.5 to 1 teaspoon of Fritsch cleaning powder, which is included in your accessory case. If you use excessively too much cleaning powder, avoid doing so while the measuring cell is connected, as this can damage the glass. That is why this should be done with short-circuiting the measuring cell before starting the cleaning cycle. Hose connectors can be found in the accessory kit as well. Soap residue or similar deposits can be rinsed off with a spray bottle. Additionally, we recommend an intensive cleaning every 4 weeks. Stage 3. Manual cleaning. In case the intensive cleaning is not enough to clean the system, a manual cleaning must be performed. Begin by running the SOP drain and then carefully open the measuring cell. Be cautious, as residual water might spill when detaching the cell. To open the measuring cell, first pull the black lever and then turn the red lock by 180 degrees. Rinse the glass surfaces with water to remove any remaining particles. Then, clean the glass carefully with dishwashing liquid. Wear gloves to prevent fingerprints. Dry the measuring cell glasses using a lint-free cloth, which is included in the accessory case. Then repeat the cleaning process with the flow plate and the second measuring cell glass. After finishing the cleaning, reassemble the measuring cell. You can also use the operation instructions for further information. Use a brush, sponge, or cloth to clean the sample bath. And handle the return tube with care, as it's sensitive to misalignment. After cleaning, reassemble the measuring cell and perform the clean and fill SOP while keeping the cell outside the machine. Check for any leaks. After cleaning, perform an alignment to ensure the measuring cell is completely clean. If the channels are still elevated, repeat the cleaning process. Finally, conduct another F500 measurement. This ensures that scattering signals have disappeared and the F500 value is back in the center of its range. Troubleshooting and maintenance. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, please contact our application specialists or our technical service team. They can determine if the cell glasses, hoses, flow plates, or seals need to be replaced, or if there's a technical issue. Pro tip: regular maintenance can help identify problems early and prevent potential damage. For more details on maintenance options, contact our technical service or your local dealer. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you successfully clean your wet measuring unit and improve the quality of your measurements.